Alright, so welcome again. This time we're gonna be discussing about binomial distribution. Okay, wherein ito yung formula niya. Basically, sa binomial distribution, okay, ang sinasolve natin yung problem is, let's say for example, meron kang total number of trials. Kunyari, imagine natin, toss coin. So, meron kang 2, 3, 4, yan hanggang 10 na trials. Toss coin. Okay? Ang hinhanap ng binomial distribution is, among all of these 10, okay, among all of these 10, how many, or what is the probability, what is the probability that among the 10 toss coins, the result is heads. For example, ganyan. Okay, hinahanap natin na across all of the trials, ano yung probability na, ano yung gusto nating result or hinahanap nating result. Okay? Naintindihan? So, dito, we can see that the binomial trial can result in a success with probability P and a failure with probability Q minus Q is equals to 1 minus P. Okay, P and Q. Yung P yung probability ng success, okay, and Q will be the probability of failure. That is 1 minus P. Then, the probability distribution of the binomial random variable X, okay, the number of successes in an independent trial is, ito siya. So, we can see here na meron tayo ilang parts. Number 1, yung N. N is equals to the total number of trials. Okay, o ilan yung kino-consider, no? Let's say, among the 10. So, yung N is equals to 10. Or among the 20. Okay, yun yung N. Okay? X will be, what we can see here is that X is equals to what? The number of success. Or, let's say for example, among the 10 na toss coin, ilan yung heads? Or, among the 10, the result of the 3 is heads. Kunyari, ganun. Okay? So, ganun siya. So, yun yung number of success. Okay? P, again, is the probability of success. And Q is the probability of failure. Okay? And then, direct substitution ng lahat. Okay? Now, as you can see here, okay? Okay? So, yan lang naman yun, yung dapat yung tandaan. Now, ang isa pang part na dapat nating matandaan is of course yung mean and median niya, or mean and variance niya. So, ito yung mean and variance niya. Okay. So, na ba yung mean and variance natin? So, the mean of the here. Okay. So, the mean and the variance is equals to this one. Yan. Ito yung mean and variance yan, ha? So, N, okay, the number of trials, and then the total probability, or the probability, okay? And then, variance is equals to NP times Q, or NPQ lang yan. Okay, or NP times 1 minus P if you would like to use P lang naman. Alright? So, let's see, no? Gawa tayo ng isang example. Okay, here. So, isang magandang example ito kanina. Sige, ito muna. Yan, ito muna. In the last civil engineering licensure exam, Okay, the LSE was told or was noted to have the rate of 59.26. Okay, suppose you have 20 examinees in the upcoming licensure exam this year. Let's see with the number of students who will pass this year. Okay, what are the probability that everyone will pass and the probability that only one student will pass. Okay, so gagawa daw tayo ng ng formula on this one. Okay, so we need to analyze muna. So we can see here that ano yung probability of success? So given siya, di ba? So, ano tayo ng solution? Solution. So you can see here that the probability of success is shucks. Okay, probability of success is equals to 59.26% or P is equals to 0.5926. Gawin natin siya in decimal point. And then we have N here is equals to, since 20 lang naman, so 20 lang din yung examiners natin. And then, so 20 lang yung N natin. Let's see with the number of students who will pass this year. So, meron tayong dalawang C, di ba? So, C is the number of students who will pass this year. Okay, yung una nating C is equals to 20. Kasi everyone will pass eh. And then, yung pangalawang C natin is equals to C is greater than or equal to 1. Okay? Kasi, at least, sabihin, lahat sila at least isa makapasa man lang. Parang ganon. So, meron tayong technique dyan. Okay? Later solve natin siya. So, doon muna tayo sa una. sa unang part. Sa letter A. Letter A. Everyone will pass. Okay? So, if everyone will pass, we can say that C is equals to 20. So, doon tayo sa unang part. Okay? Ngayon natin sa formula. Ano yung formula natin? Balikan lang natin dito. So, we have natin formula. So, we have n of x, px, qn of x. Qn minus x. Okay? So, sulat natin dito. So, the binomial distribution of one passing, all are passing or 20 passing, given that there are 20 people, diba? With a probability of 0.5926 is equals to n combination of x, p of x, q of n minus x. Okay, so we have what? 20 combination of 20, 0.5926 raised to 20 times 1 minus 0.5926 kasi q is equals to q is equals to 1 minus p. So, ganun na lang ginawa ko. So, that will be 20 minus 20. Okay? Sundan? Okay. Mamaya, mag-try pa example para mas mag-gets nyo. Pero dito muna tayo. So, 20 combination of 20. Ano tayong calculator? I think this is just 1 naman siya. Or 20. Combination of 20. Nandaan nyo ha, when in doubt, use a calculator. So, you have 1 times 0.5926 raised to 20. Then, 20 minus 20. 1 minus ano na lang muna. Okay, 1 minus 0.26. raised to 0. So, 1 na lang yun, bale. So, we have, medyo malaking number to. Ay, kasi na. Raised to 20. So, that will be, ano siya? 0.000. Laki. 0.0 0.28 5%. Ay, 5 pala. So, siya sa 0.0028 5%. Yung probability na lahat sila papasa. Okay? Which makes sense kasi of course as it increases, diba? The probability also gets smaller. Okay, so let's go for letter B. Okay, so letter B, at least 1. No, at least 1. Kahit parang at least isa lang, no? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Parang ganun ang ano niya. So to do that, at least 1, no? Sabihin nito, kabaliktaran siya ng, okay, it's complementary of exactly 1 will pass, di ba? So, pag sinabi exactly 1 will pass, diba? Complements, yan, so this one, yung number 2, at least 1 will pass. So, pwede natin sabihin na complement of exactly 1 or less than 1 will pass. Than 1 will pass. Therefore, C greater than or equal to 1 is actually similar or equal to 1 minus C less than 1. Diba? Or, which is less than 1 is just 0. Diba? Therefore, C yan. Pwede natin sabihin na ganyan. Or C is equals to 0. So, pwede natin gawin is the probability of C greater than 1 is equals to the probability of C equals to 1 minus the probability of C equals to 0. Yeah, pwede natin sabihin ganyan yun. Alright, so if C is equals to 0, then using the formula, you can say that 20, okay, so 20 combination of 0 times 0.5926, diba, raised to 0, correct, and times 0.4074 raised to 20. Ito yung PC of 0. Ilalagay natin siya ng 1 minus sa dulo. Or sa unahan. Kasi syempre complement nga siya eh. 1 minus yan. Diba? Yung total na yan. Into that, this is PC equals to 0. Okay? So, equal siya saan? So, 2 combination of 20 combination of 0 equals to 1 ulit to. 1 times, so raised to 0, 1 din to. So I have 0.4074 raised to 20. So malaki siya. Yun natin, 1 minus answer na lang. Yan. So, lagyan na natin yung 0 point, blah 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 1 lang naman yan. So, equal siya sa, okay, 999. Okay, so, sa 99.99% or 841. So, 999 hanggang 4th decimal lang naman tayo. Yan. So, answers natin. Okay. Now, let's have another example. Ito yung isa po example for this. Ito naman. Kaya natin ito. I did this one is done in the previous video. So, ito. Yan. And over a long period of time, it has been observed. Okay. Take time to read. Okay. So tayo. Okay. Over a period of time, it has been observed that a gun rifleman or given a rifleman can hit a target on a single trial with a probability of 0.8. If he fires 10 shots at the target, so what is the probability that he will target exactly 2 times and he will not target the average number of shots to hit the target. Okay? So ito naman may average na tayo. Meron tayong formula for the average. So, isa-isayin na muna natin. Okay? So, dito muna tayo sa A. Nasa A. Yan. So, we can see here that the probability of success natin dito is what? Probability of success is equals to 0.8. Yan. So, solution. Probability of success is equals to 0.8. And the number of trials N is equals to 10. Yan. So, again, kung gusto nyo isulat yung formula ulit, you can see here B, ano yan, Bx of N. Okay. Ang technique para mas maalala ninyo is, syempre, every problem, sulat yung formula. The number of success, the target natin, number of trials, probability of success equals to NC of x times P raised to x times Q raised to N minus x. Okay. Okay. Then, doon tayo sa A. Sabi sa A, ano yung A? What is the probability that he will hit the target exactly 2 times? So, we have x. Probability of x equals to 2. Okay? Yun hinahanap dito sa letter A. Sa letter B, we have probability of ano to? So, A muna. A is probability of x equals to 2. Probability of x is at least 2 times. So, greater than or equal to 2. And then, what is the probability that the number of shots to hit or the average? Yan. Average naman siya. Average ng P of X. Okay? Gawin tayo. So, we have 2 equal siya sa ano 10 combination of 2. Okay? P of X P of X which is 0.8 raised to 2. Okay? And then 1 minus 0.8. Kaya natin 0.2 na. Ano naman natin yung ano sagot dyan. 0.2 N minus 2 is 8. Yan. Okay, so we have So we have 10 combination of 2, 0.8 raised to 2, so yan, we have engineering natin. So we have 0. Ayan na lang, 373. Okay? So you have these. Okay, now, you can see here na meron naman dito p of x greater than 2. Okay? So, natin sagot dito. Ito na yan. Ito yung probability. If you want to put it percent, okay lang din naman. Okay, so letter B, p of x greater than 2. So, usually, ang gagawin natin dito is i-add natin lahat ang probability ng 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, pero gagawin natin is kukomplement natin siya. 1 minus the probability of x less than 2. Diba? So, ano yung mga yun? Probability of 0, 1, 2. Yan lang, ay, 2. 1 lang pala. Okay? Yan lang naman siya. Add lang natin siya. Subtract natin siya sa 1. Dahil this is commutative distribution function lang din naman yun. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung probability of x equals to 0. Okay? So, kasya sa 10 combination 0, 0.8 raised to 0, tapos 0.2 raised to 10. So, saan siya equal? Ngayon natin itong variable. This is minus x. Parang sandali natin siya ma-solve. So, x2. Tapos ito raise natin sa x. Solve natin. Calculate. Okay, we have x equals to 0. We have 0.23 1, 2, 2, 5, 6. Okay, then x equals to 1. Solve for x equals to 1. Oops, mali yata ako napindot. So, then combination of 1, 0.8 raised to 1, 2 raised to 9, equals to 0.1024. Yan. Okay, natin katapos yung formula natin. Ay, 8. Dapat 10. Mali. Ito sa 0. Sino muna? 1 pala to, sorry. Mali akong pindot. 0.00. Start tong 0 ulit. 1024. 9. So, iba siya. And then, 1 minus lang natin yan. So, gawin natin, tingnan, store natin siya. Shift, store B. Okay. So, itong isa is, calculate natin na 0. Yan. Shift, store E natin. Yan. Para pagka solve natin siya, 1 minus A plus B. Yan. So, we have 80. 1 minus 1 minus itong dalawa. Okay, equal na lang siya natin. Kung diretso equal na natin. 0.999. Okay, later na lang equal to 2. Okay. Ay, shucks. Hindi ko na nakunan ito. Okay, sorry. Ito. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, ganun lang siya. Gawin ako na naman sa calculator para sinod. Okay, so let's go to letter C. So, what is the average number of shots to hit the target? So, solving for mu. So, solving for mu, ano yung mu natin? Equal siya sa NP, di ba? NP. Mu is equal sa NP. And probability. So, ang N natin is equals to 10 and the probability of success is 0.8. Therefore, it is equals to 8. Right? Yan. Okay. Solve na natin siya, no? Okay, now, let's have another example siguro. One last na. Para ito is a light bulb. Para matuto natin analyze itong light bulb. Yung example sa slide. Two lighting systems are being proposed. Okay. Iron employing. Para pwede nyo siyang isolve. Mas matututunan nyo siya i-analyze. So, two lighting bulbs or two lighting systems. One requires 50 bulbs, each having 0.5 burning out within a month's time. The second one has 100 light bulbs, each with 0.02 burnout probability. Whichever system is installed will be inspected once a month. If we compare the probabilities, which will require at least one bulb to be replaced each month, which system is more likely to require less maintenance? So, alin daw dito yung mas mababa yung probability ng maintenance? Okay? So, analyze natin muna. So, we have actually, pwede nga gawin is ano na lang, average lang. Kasi baliktad. Okay, so we have for A, we have what? N is equals to 50, tama? the probability of success is equals to 0.05, 5%. Okay. While B has, tabi na lang natin sa gilid para huwag tayo pababa ng pababa. While B has N is equals to, ilan to? 100. And then P is 0.02. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin is, so since at least one bulb to be replaced, ibig sabihin mag-burn out at least isa. No? At least isa doon ang mag-burn out. So, for P of A greater than or equal to 1 is equals to 1 o minus P of A less than 1 or equal to 0. Correct? Ayan. Tapos, di sa B, P of B equal to greater than 1 is equals to 1 minus P B equal to 0 din. Alright? So, ayan siya. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, solve natin siya. Gamitin natin yung NC. No? So, here, we can see that N is equals to 50. P is equals to 0.05. And X is equals to 0. Okay? So, solve natin to. So, P of 1 minus, so 1 minus P A of 0 is equals to ano? N mabayan natin, sorry. Ayusin na natin. Solve na natin dito. N is equals to 50. Combination of 0. Correct? Probability of success 0.05 raised to 0. And then 0.95 raised to 50. Yan. So, equal siya sa what? Kaya ba ng calculus ko yun? Isa kasi hindi kinakaya. 50 combination of X 0.05 raised to X then 1 raised to 50, no? 6. X equals to 0. Ayan. May 1 minus pala. Ayan. 0.9231. .055. Ayan. So, equals to 92.3055%. Then, solve natin kay B. N equals to 100. B equals to 0.02. X equals to 0. So, ang nagbago naman dito ay yung number ng yung N yung nagbago. So, 1 minus 100 combination of 0 0.02 0 0.98 tama ba? 98 no? Is 100. Oh, sana kaya nila calculate. Yung 100 hindi na to kayanin. Calculate 0. Okay. Kaya naman siya. 0 point or 86.73 7380%. Ngayon, kung titignan natin, you can see that ang pinakakailangan na ang less maintenance is, second system need not short kasi 83% lang yung sure na at least one go burn out within the given time. Okay, at least once month. May 86.738% siya na at least isa yung mapapalitan. So, mas mababa yung probability compared to sa number 1. So, kung ako sa inyo, kukunin natin yung pangalawa. Okay? Sa second, that is more viable. Okay? So, I think that's it for binomial distribution. Okay? We'll have more examples in the next coming video. So, pero para mas mabilis siyang muna natin yung mga next na mga distribution. Alright? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.